Hi Micha, it's great to see you again.
Great to see you. Bled, you work in such a marvelous place. Tell me more about it.
It is, isn't it? This beautiful scenery that is topped with special energy that you get to feel with all 4 seasons, all types of weathers, makes it a really unique place to live.
I can imagine.
Yeah, and locals, we're really proud of the rich history as well as all the beautiful nature that surrounds us. This is why we are such an enthusiastic outdoor people.
Okay.
So, are you an outdoors person,
Yes,
Micha?
I am. I need the nature. And what about you?
Me too. I just love the sports. I also love to relax outside. So what we have here is, with the business sector, I would say that it's really good that you can combine this outdoor living with team building activities and also add some sustainability in it. We have a special, unique brand with local services and products called Bled Local Selection, which really combines everything together, our soul and our lifestyle and scenery. I'm here with our partner, Barbara from Compass DMC, who is organizing incentives and events throughout Slovenia. So Barbara, I would ask you to tell us a few things you can organize in Bled.
Thank you, Maya. I'm always so happy to come to Bled because it's so nice and lovely, and today we have lovely weather. So thank you, and yes, we are organizing incentives and events all over Slovenia, also in the coast, in Ljubljana, in caves, and we never miss Bled, of course, in the Julian Alps. And to tell you what we do here with our clients, because they always come for some experiences. If we start here at the castle, there is so much to do already here. The clients can visit the castle forge, they can visit the winery, the printing house. This is medieval printing house, and they can see how they used to print in medieval ages. We can do here animation, performance, medieval performance, and also a gala dinner, whether in a restaurant or here in a lovely courtyard. And then if we move to the other side, or to Bled, we see the lovely Bled Island, which, by the way, of course, you know, this is the only island in Slovenia. And we can organize weddings there. We can have a private concert in the church, which is really a superb experience. We can also have a tasting of the traditional Slovenian cake and, of course, the tasting. And then if we move to the sports, we can go, of course, we have so many lovely mountains around, so we can organize hiking, cycling. We can go up to the Straža hill on the other side, and we can do their adventure park. We can do the summer sledging. And we do also Vintgar Gorge. We walk through the Vintgar Gorge for an hour walk. There is also a zip line, a 4-kilometer long zip line, and rafting very close to Bled. And at last but not the least, we have rowing. There is a tremendous experience in a team building. This is a rowing with Olympians, 2 men who won many medals also at the Olympic Games, and today they organize team buildings with rowing on the Bled Lake.
But before we go, let's try the traditional Bled cream cake.
Eva, you're presenting this special story called Villa Bled. It's very historic. Please tell me more about it.
Villa Bled is a small historical boutique four-star hotel which was built in the mid-50s of the 20th century. It used to be the former Yugoslavian president's summer residence, so many famous people from all around the world stay here. It's located on the lake shore and has a private park, beach and the boathouse. Behind the villa there is a cafe called Belvedere, which has probably the most beautiful view of the lake, island and the surrounding mountains. What we most like is to spoil our guests with the great local cuisine, and more about it will explain our chef, Gregor Rozman.
Villa Bled's menu based on the Slovenian traditional cuisine with a little modern twist. We use only fresh local ingredients, hand with local suppliers. I believe this is the key to great culinary experience.
Mira, you are born in Bled and Sava is your first employer. Why are you so enthusiastic about Bled?
Yes, it's true, Miha. I was born here. This is my hometown. I love it. I've worked in Sava hotels since the beginning of my career. I really like the diversity that I can offer to my clients when working here for Sava hotels. Not only hotel accommodations, we have special venues that we can include into the programs. We have terraces by the lake, elegant lounges and banquet rooms, modern meeting space, a glamping village on the other side of the lake that's great for outdoor events. The natural and cultural heritage of this region is something that we value very much. We want our guests to feel it when they stay with us. So in our hotels, we revive local traditions and focus on sustainability. We have 4 main hotels here in Bled. So every one of them is really different, tells its own story. Our most important two, Rikli Balance Hotel and Hotel Park. These are our new stars, actually, which have really beautiful stories to tell. So with all the recent renovations that we've done in the past 2 years, we have strongly implemented natural and cultural heritage when designing the new interior. Slovenia is covered with woods, and spruce wood is really typical for this region. So we have used a lot of spruce wood in our hotels. And we have actually used a lot of crafts and arts that are typical locally, and we have carved the details of these crafts into this wood. For example, beekeeping is one of the things that it's really common in the area. So we have a lot of honey and bee elements around the hotel. We named and dedicated the hotel to Arnold Rikli. He was a really important person for this destination in the 19th century. He came from Switzerland. He was very ill because he worked in the chemistry industry producing colors. So he found the place here to heal himself.
And Karin, you're presenting a new store in Bled, Bled Rose. It's a beautiful name.
Well, the story about the Rose Hotel in Bled is actually, we have everywhere is the rose. So we are connected, our garden is connected to the garden in Bled.
Bled Rose Hotel is recently renovated and it's located almost in the city center of Bled. From the lake shore there is just one park in between, and if you just step on our terrace you can see how well we connected our park with the park from Bled. We are called the Rose, so you can get anything from roses. You can even count roses when you visit our hotel. So from our signature ice cream with roses, you can find a rose spa, rose actually rose everything. Why we are so different than the other hotels? You can get everything here. The location, the energy points, and actually everything you can get in one place. We are not a big hotel, but you can get the boutique service and everything else. One firm came here to take a look and take a tour through the hotel. When they've seen the whole hotel, they were just impressed about everything. When they've seen our VIP spas, they just said, okay, we'll just hire the whole hotel and we'll even sleep in VIP spas, not in hotels nearby. Of course, there was not an option because you can sleep in VIP spa, but still, when you come here, you can just fall in love with our place.
We wish to see you in Bled.
From Bled deeper into the nature, we are on the edge of Triglav National Park. We are now in charming alpine village Bohinjska Bistrica with Miss Natasha representing two hotels. Hi Natasha.
Hello, yes, I am representing two beautiful hotels located in between two totally different lakes, Lake Bled and Lake Bohinj. We are in the nature, deeper in the nature, as you said, on the edge of Triglav National Park, and this is why we decided to go with a sustainable theme. So the impact on the environment is really important for us. So we have two different hotels, one larger, which we opened 10 years ago. It's called Bohinj Hotel, and the other one, Sunrose 7, where we are right now, and we opened that last year.
And with this new story, you have a special theme, digital detox?
Yes, Sunrose 7 is definitely something special. In nowadays that we are bombed by all the data, we have mobile phones with us all the time, we decided to do something different. So digital detox is the theme here. So you will not see any televisions, any mobile phones here. And we encourage our guests to be either outdoors, be active, or if they want to stay indoors, they can read a book.
Hi, my name is Grega and I welcome you here in Bohinj Valley. There isn't a place called Bohinj. Bohinj is the whole valley and there's 24 different villages inside. And today on this cycling trip we will be exploring the lower and the upper valley and of course the area of the Bohinj Lake, which is the largest permanent lake in Slovenia. If you're ready, I suggest that we hit the road and start exploring. Alpine dairy farming and cheese making has a long tradition in Bohinj Valley, and the Bohinj cheese is known worldwide. And for the past 150 years, people have been making cheese here in the villages. We are currently in a village called Tudor at the farm called Brdo, and here is Mateusz, who will explain us how the traditional Bohinj cheese is done. Živijo, Mateusz.
Živijo, welcome to our farm. We will today make the cheese traditionally, like the Bohinj cheese is made here in this area for about 150 years. And today we will make the cheese just like in the mountains.
We arrived now by bikes to the lovely Bohinj Lake, surrounded by high mountains, and here we'll see what else we can do in this area. So as you can see behind me, kayaking, canoeing is a big thing around here. Also stand-up paddling on the lake, and rafting behind me on the river. You can also do the rock climbing, even caving, and also do the Bohinj flyer. This is a simulation of the ski jump. We can also organize the trip, picking the herbs in this area, and learn more about edible flowers, and then preparing a picnic, for example. And the last but not least, there is also a steam train that takes you from this region under the high mountains all the way to the Primorska region, still in Slovenia, in other climate zone.
I hope that on today's journey, we and you have experienced a little bit of this valley, and I would definitely recommend that whenever you come to Slovenia, you come and experience it on your own.